Good morning children and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the last chapter of your book, and the name of chapter is If I Were You. Dear students, this chapter is a play. It is a one act play which is full of suspense and thrill. This particular one act play has been written by Mr. Douglas James. Douglas James is one of the renowned writer of English literature. He has written many books. This particular one act play is full of thrills and suspense and doubt. Dear students, in this particular play, one act play, there are two important characters. One is Gerard, or another is one intruder. Intruder, a person who came without invitation, without calling. That person is called intruder. You may say unwanted guest. Dear students, the story starts, the particular play's story starts as Mr. Gerard, the main character of this story. He is in his cottage, or he is talking on mobile. This man Gerard is talking on the phone, and he is talking to someone. He is living alone in his cottage, is in his room, but he has left his door unlocked, cottage door, or busy in his work, talking to someone. And he was not aware about the things which were going on outside of his cottage, because at the time when he was talking on phone, at that time one intruder, who is a criminal, notorious criminal, that he enters in his cottage. Dear students, this intruder, notorious criminal, who is indulged in many lawless activities, many criminal activities, many bad activities, or he is a murderer also. Even he has killed one policeman. And due to that, the police was chasing him. He was running, and police was chasing him. This intruder, one day, this intruder saw the appearance of Mr. Gerard, the main character of the story. He found that his appearance was very similar to Mr. Gerard. So finally he decided to take his place, to take the place of Mr. Gerard. Dear students, this man, intruder, according to his plan, he comes to the house here. He comes to the cottage of Mr. Gerard. Gerard was not aware about his plan. That man came to his cottage, to his house, to kill him, to take his place. But actually the intruder's plan was, after seeing the appearance and his look, he made his plan that he was looking like Mr. Gerard. So it is better to kill Mr. Gerard and take his place. This was the plan of intruder. or Mr. Gerard was unaware about that. But he is a very cool-minded fellow, cool and calm nature fellow. He did not show any fear in front of intruder. While talking to him, after knowing his plan, that he is going to kill him, even intruder asked many questions to him. Even intruder asked about his family members, about his car, whether he is owning and having car or not. That Gerard gave all the answers patiently, without any fear, because he wanted to defeat that intruder by his wit. Dear students, and intruder told his plan that he wants to defeat, he wants to kill him, and he wants to take his place. Because intruder was knowing that the punishment, he will get punishment and he will be hanged as he has killed one policeman. So after that, as he was involved in murder, so he was sure that he will be caught and punished by the police and authority. So he made this plan. Dear students, another side, this man Gerard he was also very intelligent, and he used his wit, and he told that he was also a criminal and murderer, and police was also searching him. Understood? Even he told him that he was writing a play and he was a playwright. But he told about his past history, that he was also a murderer and criminal, and police was searching him. Any time police may come. Understood? So after that, the intruder was very much frightened, and he thought that police will reach him, and even he warned that Gerard warned the intruder that police may reach any time. And due to fear of this, he wanted to, suppose they wanted to run away, and Gerard told him that he will take him to the safer place, and through the back door they will reach their car, Mr. Gerard's car, and Gerard will take him to the safer place. Actually, dear students, the intruder could not understand the trick and technique of this great man, this intelligent man. The intelligent fellow Gerard was trying to defeat him by his wit. He listened his whole story, knew his intention, that intruder's intention was not good. If he will get chance, he will surely and certainly kill him. This Gerard was knowing. Understood? And due to that, this Gerard has made one story. The story of this police, that police may reach any time, even he has posted, he has given one of his familiar fellow to watch this activity. Understood? So at the time when Mr. Gerard told this story, and intruder was completely frightened, dear students. At that time, dear students, he decided to run, but he could not go out through the front door or through the main door, because police may come, police may reach any time, and both might be caught. Understood? So due to that fear, Mr. Gerard has given him suggestion to go through the back door. dear students. And he given instruction, he told him to go through the back door and he will also follow him. But actually, dear students, it was not the back door, it was the door of a cupboard. Or when this intruder opened the door of that cupboard and he was just looking inside, at that time the intelligent fellow Gerard, he pushed him, and due to that he went inside. The intruder reached inside the cupboard, and unfortunately his revolver, by that he was threatening Mr. Gerard, that also fell on the ground. Now, dear students, this intelligent fellow Gerard, he closed the door, he shut the door. And that intruder was inside that cupboard. Now, a revolver was outside. Now, Gerard was safe. So, ultimately, and then finally he reached to the phone. For what? To call the police. To the man who wanted to take place and position, the man who wanted to spend his life as a reputed person, as a Gerard, that person could not understand the trick and technique of this intelligent fellow. His motive was, the intruder's motive was, intention was that he will spend his rest of his life peacefully after killing Mr. Gerard, because the reason was because his identity was, his appearance was very similar to Gerard. But here another side, the man Gerard defeated him not by using a physical force, but by his wit, by his intelligence, dear students. Understood? So this is the story, this is the summary of this chapter, dear students. In this story, the intruder wanted to take the place and position of Mr. Gerard. And ultimately, even he was having revolver in his hand, and after reaching in his house, he was threatening him and giving continuously warning to him that if he will move, he will shoot him. Understood? Even he knew about his family, but the man Gerard gave all answers patiently, without any fear, and ultimately by his wit, he defeated the intruder, a person who came without invitation. So, dear students, I want to tell you, confidence is a good thing, but overconfidence is ultimately harmful for us. Understood? So, here intruder who was overconfident, understood, and who thought that he can make police anybody, or who thought that he can make Mr. Gerard police easily, he was not well aware about the intelligence and wit of Mr. Gerard. Understood? So this was the mistake of intruder. Dear students, we should also not underestimate our opponents. Understood? We should always think that he is more powerful. Understood? If you are doing this, if you are having such type of safe zone and safe thing in your mind, you may ultimately defeat your opponent. Don't underestimate. So here intruder underestimated. He thought that he will easily defeat him. but that was his big mistake. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, and we will discuss line by line in the next video. Thank you, dear students.